Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite if there was an error that says removed from match due to internet lag, IP or machine, VPN, or cheating, right? So the first option right here is that you're going to want to close Epic Games, close it entirely right here, exit. Now what you'll do is just go ahead and type down in your search bar regedit, okay, or the registry editor. Just click on it, wait for it to open, and once it's opened, what you got to do, okay, just going to go ahead and clear this one. Clear. Okay, so what you're going to do is just go ahead over to H key, current user, right here. Click on this drop down. Now go to find a software. Click on drop down. Find Epic Games. Click on the drop down. Now find Unreal Engine. Click on the drop down. Now here we have identifiers. So just right click on identifiers and just hit on delete. Okay, hit on yes right here. I'm not going to do it because I already fixed it. So just hit on yes. And once done, restart your computer. And after that, it should work now. Okay, if that still will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down network reset. Okay, click on network reset. And just click on reset now. Once that's done, open up Fortnite and you should be good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.